Hi, welcome back to my channel Stargate Astrology. Anything that goes in a retrograde motion or a reverse motion, it brings about or it generates great intensity or powers. So same goes to planets which retrograde in your natal chart or any time in your life. So currently there are two great planet Saturn and planet Jupiter is going in a retrograde motion. So what happens when the planet goes in a retrograde motion? So it is like killed again. What do I mean by killed again? So it's like once bitten, twice shy. So whichever houses these two planets are going retrograde, the planets are giving you a chance to rectify whatever karma or whatever situation that you went through when it was going in a direct motion. So now it's time for you to reflect on that particular matter and try to rectify or wonder or ponder about it, that where it went wrong. You can't make the same mistake. For example, like if Saturn was in the 6th house and you were having some issues in your workplace, or you're having some health problem, debts, or dealing with enemies. So this is a time that you have to reflect upon yourself, that whatever that you tried to do when it was in a direct motion, it failed you and you suffered, and now it's a time for you to do some other ways to totally come out of that situation and go forward in your life. So retrograde motion, actually it's good, but you need to understand the core issue of that particular situation. For example, if your planets are retrograding in the 9th house, so these past 2 years that you are not seeing any fruits in the way you pray or the way you worship God. So now is the time for you to find out what are the other ways that you can do to get connected to the energy of the God. So every houses have every sort of thing. Mostly it deals with our weaknesses. So retrograde motion actually brings about clarity or second chance for you to not to be killed again. So you cannot be killed over and over, and you should not be victimized over and over, either by humans or by the act of your past birth karma or this present karma. So sit down, look at your horoscope, identify where is the weak points and what are the weak characteristic and attitude you have when you're dealing with a planet which is going on a direct motion, and when it's retrograde it is behaving in a different mode. So thank you for watching my video. Do not be afraid when a planet goes into a retrograde motion. Actually it is good that sometimes we need to understand that why sometimes when it goes in a direct motion we are not getting the good fruits of that particular planet. Thank you for watching my video.